Have you ever dropshipped on eBay, Amazon, or even on your online store? If you start with dropshipping now, you're likely to run a lot of mistakes. However, some of these mistakes could make the difference between success and failure. Hello friends, my name is Vitan and today I will teach you how to avoid mistakes in dropshipping. When I started dropshipping 7 years ago, I had no idea what I was doing. And I made a lot of mistakes, but now, after generating more than $10 million in sales, I can show you exactly what you need to save money and time. In this video, I will outline the top 10 biggest mistakes I made. Then I will give you right tips so you will not make the same mistakes as me. In this video, I will cover the biggest mistakes: mindset, product selection, product quality, profit calculation, supplier relationship, cash flow, advertising platforms, dropshipping rules, experimentation, resources. So, firstly, I started because I heard from my friend and saw many advertisements from gurus at the same time. Maybe you see them also, different dropshipping gurus. Every guru is likely to say dropshipping is the easiest thing in the world. You don't need any skills or money to learn how to dropship. It's all just a part of marketing. It's convincing that everybody can do it and they give you the expectations that this is going to be so easy. You don't need any skills to start. Unfortunately, I had to learn this hard and realize that this is a lie. So bought some courses and quickly realized that dropshipping is quite difficult. Like many other businesses in the world, it takes time, sweat, sacrifice and dedication to make it all works. So after I created my first 2 eBay stores and eBay blocked me, I almost give up. Lucky I did it, and my third store is having good success. I can say now that after years of experience, the mindset that you're going in this business is almost 90% from the reason why you succeed. So the biggest lessons that I learned about the mindset is 3 main points that you need to know about are: first, don't expect anything. Don't go into business thinking that it will be so easy, because most likely it will not if it was easy. Why the people will work from 9 to 5 when they can dropship? It's because almost everyone that tried to dropship actually falls. 2. Persistence. Those who strive every day to improve their skills will almost always succeed. I found that most people that have succeeded are very persistent. 3. Failure. No one can succeed after the first try. If you keep falling, improving, and then repeat the cycle, you will have succeed. Number 2. Product selection. When I first got into dropshipping, I had no idea what to sell, but then saw people selling glasses or gadgets, clothes, accessories, and literally thousands of other items. So I decided to try to sell glasses and were not so good. Unfortunately, I had many problems because I didn't know anything about forbidden brands on the platforms. So I failed due to sales. No, I know I did not fully understand what value brands means. So when I go back, I will first check the market most sought items or use Zik Analytics to research, or even the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. If you want to see some tricks about dropshipping, don't miss to watch Dropshipping Extra Profit video. The products that we need to look for are very popular. People have already spent thousands of dollars. These products have millions of views and already thousands of likes. These products can be easily sold because the market has already demanded them. If we sell on the market, we will search for hot items again and again. Try to select very popular products with the high demand on the market. Also, try to select a product that people need. This is very important. Number 3, production quality. When I started selling, I picked products that are very cheap and had many sales. Unfortunately, I skipped check the rating of the items. As a result, I was having many chargebacks, refunds, and reviews from any angry customer that I have. When I look back, I can't believe that I missed to check the step with checking my products for quality issues before selling them, because quality checking is quite easy and fast. Quality check the items, reduce bad feedback and chargebacks, and allow you to continue advertising on Facebook. On Facebook, a low feedback score can stop your account. If feedback scores drop, they will restrict your account. It's the same on eBay and Amazon. If you want to check the quality, you can order for yourself to see if it's good enough. Another beneficial method is to go to Amazon and see customer reviews, rating for this product. In 99% of the scenarios, you will find every product you want to dropship onto Amazon. This is because AliExpress is sister company of Alibaba and most of the people sell into Amazon warehouse. Spend time for product quality check if you don't want to lose the ability to advertise or the right to be a seller on your market. Number 4, profit calculation. When I first started, it was very hard for me to calculate the profit. At the end of the first month, I thought I made 5,000 pay off, but I really just made a little over 2,000. It's happened because I estimate my profit based only on a few through connected, the cost of goods, total revenue, and Facebook ads cost. After all, I was not calculating transaction fees, refunds, shipping rates, additional software, marketplaces, employer fees, business taxes. Actually, I just a lot of expenses. I was spending a lot of money every month because I was unsure where to improve my business to save much money. So, to improve these areas, I worked on my product and service quality improvement and handed out less discount to the rating offers. The result were that the next month my business increased my profit with 5%. When I made the high volume of sales, this increase made a huge gain. You can use just an Excel file to calculate your profit correctly. If you have questions about how to do this, just hit me in the comment. I will create free video tutorial on my channel for you. Number 5, supplier relations. When I started, I used mainly Amazon and Walmart to source my products. However, I heard from another sellers, my private supplier gave me a great deal. He was helping me to brand my products, but I was not sure what exactly this means. I contacted my supplier for one of the most sold items to see if I could negotiate for a better deal. Private suppliers mean that they can give you better deals, faster logistic, branding, helping you to source the products, and overprivilege. It was so easy because the seller I used to source them from AliExpress became my private supplier. He gave me a private listing from AliExpress with a much better deal he offered me for the rest of his normal customers. Now, if you ever see this listing in AliExpress, this is because they don't allow other dropshippers to copy the offer. He also provides me with much better customer support. He offers me a refund for all undelivered items, defects, and unsaved customers. My advice is that when you start making good sales, over 30 sales a day, contact your supplier and ask him for VIP conditions. The supplier will also help you find better logistic lines and help you brand your products. Also, they can provide you better customer videos and photos of the products that you sell. If you allow your supplier to make more money, of course, they will support you in any way. Your business is their business also. You can just hit the contact button. Please note that not every supplier has good English and it's not so easy to speak with supplier, but no worry, most of them are understandable. Cash flow. The big problem that I was having at the beginning was cash flow. When I started, I was not able to scale the business because PayPal was holding my money. Also, if you sell on another platform, you will have a few days to wait until the money is transferred from another platform to your bank account. Many people using a credit card at the beginning to cover their orders when accounts start going. If you want to create serious business, it's good to have money to work with. Even dropshipping needs capital to be started. Yes, we can start with a small amount of money, but it's much better to scale the business when you find winning products. 7. Advertising platforms. Many people start with Facebook marketing. This is probably the easiest platform to learn. My advice is that if you are a beginner, don't begin with paid promotion. To start on eBay, Amazon or Etsy, in these platforms you can start sell immediately without pay any advertisement fees at the beginning. Selling there, you can parallel study how to create the website and do good Facebook marketing. It will take you a lot of time in the beginning, but you can do this two businesses together. If you decide to start on Facebook, it is easy because it has a very powerful AI, and the time I test Google Ads, Pinterest, Snapchat, Instagram, it's better to learn one than to try to be master on many platforms. Focusing on one thing at the beginning is better. Otherwise, you will need to spend too much time trying to everywhere and lose the chance to have good results. 8. Dropshipping rules. When you start dropshipping, you need to follow the rules first, and very important, after you check the quality of the product, is to read the marketplace rules where you to start sell. Check value list items and you can start advertising on Facebook. You need to check their policy fully. One of the most common mistakes is that somebody start with a dropshipping business and list forbidden products or create copy of advertising that it's not allowed from Facebook. It will be help you if you are careful not to be disabled from the marketplace. In 2021, you can lose your entire business manager with only one violation. Number 9. Experimentation. When I was starting, I didn't know what to do. It was connected to people that talked about different methods, suppliers, places to sell, platforms. I spent years trying different methodologies and finally found the things that work great for me. I try FBA dropshipping on Amazon, Bonanza, Walmart. On my own website, I create even services like courses or softwares about this to test what the work on the market is. To know which is better, I am 7 years in fame. I see macro changes and micro changes on the market. Macro changes on the market is targeting, creative and price connected. After browsing thousands of websites, I found many people that have succeeded with the correct methodology. The first successful store that work very well have perfect image and videos. After that, they start optimizing the copy, then first focus on the macro changes, and after that work on smaller ones. And the last one, resources. When I first started, it was full of courses, gurus and websites that talk a lot about the business. I was not able to figure out where to get my information from. A big issue is that every guru recycles information from another guru. If is unsure whatever the statement is true, in most cases recycled information is not accurate. One guru takes info from another one. I across much information that cost me a lot of time and money. I just tested out many things. This allows me to move and see that works quickly. My tip is just to start. Most of my today's knowledge is from my students. Once I helped someone, he comes and back me with the information. Now, only in my country I have connection with thousands of students. If you want to consult with me, you can do it using the first link in the description. And don't miss to watch the video about 27 stores in eBay, how to manage it. Thank you very much.